Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my Essential Rewards unboxing. I know I just did one of these, but this is actually for this month, April. The last one was for last month. I just got it super late. So I have a giant box here and I'm so excited. Giant box. I actually can't remember all that I got because I really wanted to hit all the promos this month because they were really good. So got my diffuser going in the background, got some lemongrass in there, and I'm excited. So if you don't know, real quick, what Essential Rewards is, it is a monthly subscription program. It's not one of those like super shady ones because this one you can actually cancel it, which I've done before. I've taken a break from it before, but it's a monthly subscription where you customize your own box. So it's basically just a wellness box of whatever you want that's on the Young Living website to get shipped out every month, and you can change it throughout the month. Like even the day before it processes, you can change the entire thing. So you're not locked into any certain items. It starts at $50 and you can spend as much as you want. So it's not a set price range, and you actually get points back to spend on the website like cash. So the first 3 months you get 10% points back. After that you get 20% points back, and then after 6 months, I think it is, you get 25% back. And then on top of that you get what they call promos, which are free products that they send out depending on how much you spend. So kind of just like rewards programs other places too, it varies on how much you spend. So if you spend $100 you get a certain promo, $190 you get more promos, and then you get more at $250, $300, $400. So there's promos for every tier of amount. So all of that good stuff. I'm going to go ahead and get into what I got. The only requirement to hop on Essential Rewards is to be a Young Living member. So it's super easy to become a member. You get your first box, and well, not this box, but you get like your starter kit box. And from there you can choose to either sign up for Essential Rewards, or you can just stick with your first starter kit and get to know that a little bit more. So if you're interested in oils or anything, be sure to message me on my Instagram. It's tansyandroseessentials. I'll leave that below. And I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Got my box cutter. Also, they have a ton of household products. So if you are not super into essential oils, they have non-toxic beauty products, cleaning products, bath and body products, soap, shampoo, all of that stuff. So basically everything that I would normally be buying at Target or something, which don't get me wrong, I love me some Target. I can just switch over to use Young Living stuff, and there is my box for the month. So if I don't just want to buy $100 worth of oils, which is super easy to do, trust me, I can actually just switch out products that I would normally be buying somewhere else and use it towards my Essential Rewards, get my points back, get free stuff. It's a great program, honestly. I think I'm going to start with the oils. I try to save the promos for last. There's oil in here, and they come in these little tubes, so they're protected and everything. This one is like super wrapped up. I don't know what this is. That's odd. I've never seen it wrapped up like that before. So if I see a promo oil, I will just set it to the side and save that till the end if you are curious what I got for free. This is, ooh, whatever this is, it smells really good. Okay, super excited about this. This is one of the most loved oils in the Young Living community, and this is Northern Lights Black Spruce. I'm so excited. It's obviously a woodsy oil. I just got the small 5 milliliter one, but I know I'm gonna love it because I love woodsy oils. Oh my gosh. That smells so good. Wow. Okay, I'm sold. Wow, that smells amazing. That's obviously super woodsy and kind of sweet, and that just smells so good. So there's Northern Lights Black Spruce. This is actually grown under where, like the trees actually grow under where the Northern Lights are. So that's why it's called Northern Lights Black Spruce, because the trees under the Northern Lights. Pretty cool. There's some theories about what it does like energy wise with like the lights and everything. Don't know. And it's really cool because it'll actually tell you on the bottle if you need to dilute it or not. You should dilute this, and it tells you how to use it and all that good stuff. So always make sure to read your labels, guys, because it's important to know safety-wise how to use oils and use them with caution, and just make sure to use them correctly. So if you're taking a wintergreen oil or cinnamon oil and you're putting it straight on your skin, that's super concentrated and it's a very hot oil and a spicy oil. So just be sure to read your labels, use your brain, all that good stuff. I'm so excited. Okay, next thing. Okay, I got, oh, nope. This was not free, never mind. I got this for someone. I got a 5 milliliter of tangerine oil. This is one of the oils that I'm giving away. So if you don't know, for the whole month of April, I am giving away a free, easy for me to say, I'm giving away a free 5 milliliter citrus oil, pretty much of your choice. There's like 5 or so you can choose from, along with a little mini roller, one of these cute guys, filled with carrier oil so you can make your own blend. So anyone who signs up with me with a starter kit will get a extra bonus oil along with all of that good stuff. So I got a tangerine, and then, ooh, I actually kind of forgot that I got this. I got a 5 milliliter of spearmint. I think that's actually the only size that they have. This is also supposed to be diluted, all of that good stuff. I love spearmint. It smells so good. I actually prefer spearmint over peppermint just because it's a bit of a sweeter mint. And it's not, I feel like it's not as in your face, so it's more of a milder scent. It's really yummy with citrus oils. Don't get me wrong, I do love peppermint, but spearmint is a nice little switch up from peppermint once in a while. So many oils. Okay, next one, I got a 15 milliliter of lavender. Super excited to have this. I actually ran out of my, like, diffusing one, I would call it, because I keep a roller and then I keep a regular undiluted one. So I actually ran out of this one and I turned it into a roller, but I'm actually out of just straight up lavender. So of course this smells amazing. So good. There's nothing like the smell of the lavender from Young Living. It's so funny because I didn't think that I used to like lavender, and then I smelled the Young Living one and I was like, oh, that's actually what it smells like. That's amazing. So it just goes to show, like, the quality can really change the smell of it. So, ooh, I also got Sacred Mountain. This is another one of the very talked about oils. This is a blend and it has black spruce, ylang ylang, balsam Canada, cedarwood. That's all. So it's obviously woodsy and I'm really excited to smell this. Oh my gosh. That smells so good. I cannot wait to diffuse this and use this in blends. Oh my god. That smells so good. I'm really excited to use this. It's very heavy on the ylang ylang, which I do like very much. Next one, I am so excited about this. I got a Valor roll-on. Never got one of these before. Oh, I don't want to like break the little seal on there. It's so pretty. So I got the Valor roll-on because this comes with 10 milliliters instead of 5. So you only pay $10 more for twice as much oil. I've never had one of the roll-ons before, so I'm really excited. Ah, there it is. I'm so excited to try this. I've been so excited to restock on this oil because it's so good. And if you've never used Valor before, it is actually a dark blue color. So it's also amazing. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like sweet and fruity. There's no reason it should smell fruity because there's not like fruit oils in here. It is a blend of black spruce, camphor, blue tansy, frankincense, and geranium. And you can see, like, it's so dark through the bottle. This is one of the most amazing blends and it's delicious. So got some of that. Okay. And then I think there's a 5 milliliter Valor around here somewhere. Okay, I got Sensation, 5 milliliter of that. So Sensation is actually the scent of my shower gel. So I really like the scent of it. I didn't actually love it at first because it's super floral, but it's actually really grown on me. So it's a blend of coriander, ylang ylang, jasmine, and bergamot. So they use this oil in the bath and shower gel. So I really wanted to get this because I actually really like the scent of it. It smells so good. A little dropper dude came off on there. There you go. Super floral. I'm actually really into the floral oils right now. Side note, is anyone else like this? If the little like thing comes off of here, I don't know, I don't like it. I feel like my bottle looks naked. I actually like to put it back on there because I feel like it also traps some oils, so you don't have to clean your bottles off as much. And then, oh, never mind, this was a promo. I'm gonna put this off to the side. I also got a 5 milliliter of Valor. So I did get both forms of Valor this month because I really wanted to restock on it because it's so amazing. So I got this. I don't actually diffuse Valor very much because it's a little pricey and it's like liquid gold to me. I don't want to like use it up, but I love it diffused. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Valor is just so good. There's truly nothing like it, and you can actually see how dark of a blue it is. It's crazy. I might have to do this in 2 sections actually. Not gonna lie. Okay, next one. I actually forgot that I got this. I got a 15 milliliter of grapefruit oil. I love grapefruit so much. So I love grapefruit. It's amazing to diffuse. It's so good. Oh my gosh. It's like kind of tart, but not really. It's like really sweet. I love the smell of grapefruit more than I like the taste of it, for sure. Oh, there's another one in here. Did not even realize that. Okay, this was one of the free ones, so I'm gonna put this off to the side. Okay. Oh, I actually forgot that I got this too. I got a 15 milliliter of eucalyptus globulus. I don't exactly know how to say that, but basically one of the eucalyptuses. There's 3 different kinds. I didn't really know which one to get, so I just got this one. So I'm really excited to smell this. I've actually never had a eucalyptus oil, as crazy as that is. Ooh, that smells good. This is a good one. This is a good eucalyptus. That's nice. That'll be nice with the grapefruit for sure. And then there's another oil in here. This is a free one, so I'm gonna put it off to the side. Let's see. Ooh, I forgot that I got this too. This is White Angelica. This is another one that's like a cult favorite. Everyone loves this. This does have citrus oil in it, so gotta be careful with that. And let's see what's in it. It comes with bergamot, myrrh, sandalwood, oh, it's because bergamot is like a citrus oil. Geranium, sandalwood, ylang ylang. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love this oil. I don't know why it took me so long to get this oil. Ooh, that's nice. I like that a lot. That's a good one. Very, very nice. So got White Angelica. As you can tell, I got a ton of oils this month. But anyway, moving on to the next one. This one, oh, this one was also free. We're gonna put this off to the side. So that's all the oils that I got this month. I'm gonna break this up into 2 sections because this is gonna be a super long video. So check back for part 2. I'll try to upload it kind of back to back. Hopefully, I'll try to get them both edited down super quickly. So stay tuned for the next one where it is non-oil products and what I got for free. So check that out. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.